नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर गौरव और मैं आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर जिसका नाम है दयाल एंड सन्स क्लास ऑफ मैथमेटिकल साइंसेज में। और जैसे कि प्रॉमिस किया था, लेके आया हूँ आप सबके बीच इस यूट्यूब चैनल की सेकंड वीडियो। जैसे कि मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था कि हम सेकंड वीडियो से स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज करना ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज से। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 9.1 फ्रॉम अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स बाय एमएल अग्रवाल। लेट्स बिगिन। The first question says, if sin theta is equal to half and cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, then find the other t ratios. T ratio means other trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta, cos theta, sec theta and cosec theta and cot theta. Now we are given sin theta and cos theta, value of sin theta and cos theta. We know, let us first calculate for tan theta. We know tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. We know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. This is equal to, now value of sin theta is given to us is half, so 1 by 2. Cos theta is given to us as root 3 by 2. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so what I am left with, tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. First ratio is tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Now sec theta we know it is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is root 3 by 2, so 1 upon cos theta will be 2 upon root 3. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta is 1 by 2, so 1 upon sin theta will be equal to 2. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. We know cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and tan theta we have calculated as 1 by root 3. So 1 upon tan theta will be root 3. So these are our ratios, required ratios. So this is the solution for our first question. In this question we were given sin theta and cos theta, and we know the relationship between tan theta and sin theta and cos theta, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. We substitute the value of sin theta and cos theta and we get 1 upon root 3. And we know that cos theta is inverse of 1 upon tan, is inverse of tan theta, that is 1 upon tan theta, that will give me root 3. Cosec theta we know it is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is half, the reciprocal of sin theta will be 2. Similarly sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that means when cos theta is root 3 by 2, then 1 upon cos theta will be 2 upon root 3. So sec theta is equal to 2 upon root 3. Now let us come to question number 2. In question number 2, we are given a figure. We are given this figure. In this angle is theta, this is x, this is y, and this is given to us 10, x, y and 10. We are given x, y and 10. What we are need to do is, from this figure, find value of x and y in terms of t ratio. We are required to find the value of x and y in terms of t ratio, means in terms of trigonometric ratio. This was the question from this figure. We need to find value of x and y in terms of t ratios. This angle is given as theta and this one is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So basically a right angle triangle is given to us in which base is x, hypotenuse is y and height is 10, or you can say perpendicular is 10. Now we know sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now perpendicular value is perpendicular is tan and hypotenuse is y equal to sin theta. This implies y will be equal to tan upon sin theta, or we can write as y is equal to tan cosec theta. 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta, so we can write it as tan cosec theta or tan cosec theta. I hope it is clear. Alright. Now, we know tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. That means perpendicular is tan and base is x. Tan theta, this implies x is equal to tan upon tan theta, or we can write it as x is equal to tan cot theta. So this is the values of x, and these are the values of x and y in terms of t ratios. Y will be equal to tan cosec theta and x is equal to tan cot theta or tan upon tan theta, and y will be tan upon sin theta or tan into cosec theta. Now let us move to question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, prove that first part. Prove that sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. LHS. To prove, we will solve the left hand side and try to get this right hand side value. In left hand side we are given sin theta into cot theta plus sin theta cosec theta, right? Now is equal to cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. In place of cos theta I can write cos theta upon sin theta, since we know that cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, plus sin theta into 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. We know cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, so in place of cosec theta I write 1 upon sin theta, and in place of cot theta we can write cos theta upon sin theta. Here sin theta get cancelled, sin theta get cancelled. What are we are left with? Plus 1, and what we are left here is cos theta is equal to this, and this is equal to RHS, implies LHS equal to RHS, implies LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Hence proved. Now let us solve the second question. Second part of this is 1 upon tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 upon cot square theta plus 1 is equal to 1. This we need to prove. Let us solve this. Left hand side is given to us 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus take from fundamental identities. We know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So replacing this implies LHS will become 1 upon, implies LHS will become equal to 1 upon sec square theta plus 1 upon cosec square theta, and 1 upon sec theta is cos theta, and square means cos square theta, plus sin square theta, and this is equal to 1, implies LHS equal to RHS. Identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. आइडेंटिटी है हमारी sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, hence LHS is equal to RHS. I hope it is clear. I hope this is clear. So this is the question number 3. Now let us solve the question number 4. Okay, next we will solve question number 7. Next we are going to solve question number 7. Question number 7, first part. Prove that tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. Tan square theta into sin square theta. This we need to prove. Now, how can we solve this? Let's solve by left hand side. LHS. Let us solve first the left hand side. Left hand side says tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal. Now, हमें क्या पता है? We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Clear? We know this. So what I will do is, this means sin theta is equal to tan theta cos theta. I can write it like this, tan theta cos theta. Can I write it like this? Right? That means sin theta, I can write sin theta as tan theta into cos theta. Now let us substitute this value of sin theta in left hand side. So the LHS will become equal to tan square theta minus, in place of sin theta what can I write? Tan theta cos theta, and since we have square we get tan square theta cos square theta. Am I correct? Am I right or am I not right? Am I right? Yes. Now I can take tan square theta common. What I will left with? 1 minus cos square theta. And what is 1 minus cos square theta? What is 1 minus cos square theta? 1 minus cos square theta is, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this means 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. This implies LHS will be equal to, therefore LHS will be equal to tan square theta into sin square theta, and this is equal to RHS. This LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Therefore LHS will be equal to RHS, and hence we have proved this relation. I hope this is clear. I hope this become clear. This has become clear to all of you, that why what we have done here. And you can solve this in an alternative method also. Let me tell you that also. LHS is, we have tan square theta minus sin square theta, right? Now in place of sin, replacing sin theta by tan theta cos theta, I will replace this as sin square theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. Clear? Is equal to, this implies LHS is equal to sin square theta common. I am left with 1 minus 1 upon cos square theta minus 1, right? Now what is 1 upon cos theta? 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So this becomes sin square theta into sec square theta minus 1, right? LHS is equal to, now sec square theta minus 1, अब हमें पता है since 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, ये हमें पता है आइडेंटिटी से, from identity we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This implies sec square theta minus 1 will be equal to tan square theta. So we'll replace this sec square theta by tan square theta, sec square theta minus 1 by tan square theta. So what I will get, LHS is equal to sin square theta into tan square theta, and this is equal to RHS. So either of the following method you can follow. Either you replace this tan theta by sin theta cos theta in this expression, or you replace sin theta by tan theta into cos theta. Both way you will get the answer. Now let us solve question number 10. Question number 10. We are going to solve now the question number 10. First part. Sin 4 times theta minus cos 4 times theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Now let us solve this. Now how to solve this? Let us see. Now left hand side is equal to sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. Now sin 4 theta I can write as sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. I can write it like this. Now I have reached the formula a square minus b square. Now I will open this as a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin square theta minus cos square theta. Since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. I have used this algebraic identity that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a is sin square theta, b is cos square theta, so a plus b into a minus b. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by identity. I can write it as 1 into sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to क्यों है? सिंस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos square theta is equal to 1 by identity is equal to, now in case of sin square theta we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in case of sin square theta what I can write is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So I replace this by 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta is already here is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta, that is equal to RHS, hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us take the second part of this question. Second part of this question says, now I will take the third part. Second part you can solve in similar fashion like this one. That will be solved in the similar way as this question has been solved. Now take the third part. The third part says sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 times sin square theta cos square theta. Left hand side, let us see the solution for this part. At left hand side is sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta is equal to sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. I can write sin raised to power 6 as sin square theta का whole cube and cos 6 theta 6 raised to power 6 theta is equal to cos square theta का whole cube. Now it is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to since a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube minus plus 3ab into a plus b, right? Or this implies a cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? Now applying this identity, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab to this left hand side. So left hand side will become, I can write this as, now here a cube is a is sin square theta, b is cos square theta. Applying this, what will get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and cube of 1 will give me 1. So I will get here 1 minus. Again here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So what I will left with? Minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. LHS is equal to RHS. I hope you have understand the problem so far. This is all for this video. We'll continue the exercise in the next video, and the next video will be uploaded now the next week on Thursday. So till then, what you have to do is you have to practice these problems. Try to solve the remaining problem from the exercise. If you have any problem in any question, do post them in the comment section, and I will surely take up that problems in the next video, definitely, for sure. So keep watching, stay tuned for the video. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please do hit the like, hit the subscribe button and like button as well, and do share it if you like my video. Thank you very much.